Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Ketenat Boarding James PK Sangma ulaong bagi Meghalaya Energy Efficiency Limited kadai kebalatau dah kajing menjur ke kenhun menteri jong sarkar jela bat kadai ru kum ke Energy Efficiency Services Limited jong ke sarkar pedeng kebalatau nadu usnem arhajar khandai. James ulaong bagi MEEL kadai kabahap hapok Ketenat Boarding ke sarkar jela kumba ke EESL kahap hapok Ketenat Boarding jong ke sarkar pedeng. Ulayatu bagatong jong ke MEEL kalong ban penlej jingmut ban penpha ya kurukom traikam ha kaliang ka kam boarding bat ka EESL jong ke sarkar pedeng kadon hapo jong ka ya ka PFC REC bat kiwei kiba traikam man penpha ya ka jing ai jing shakri. Shushu ulaong ka MEEL kamdei jong ujem sangma hanrei kadei jong ke sarkar ha kaba mano badai menteri Ketenat Boarding Undai ex officio chairman ke MEEL. Bat ulaong ru ba omdon jing bakla ai halor ke jingtau ya ke MEEL bat ka tong kalong ban penpha ya kerukom traikam. Kumban chupan kan mau ka kenhun menteri kala menjur hau risau arhajar arpo ya ka MEEL kumbala batai da ke sarkar India kumno ban penpha ya kerukom traikam Ketenat Boarding bat nangla ban ai jing shakri ha ka kam boarding.
Has to come to the cabinet, and the cabinet has to approve the formation of this because government of Meghalaya is major stakeholder in the MEEL. So that decision was taken in the cabinet, and there's a lot of confusion about what is my role in the MEEL. So I've made it very categorically clear that the minister in charge is selected from amongst the board of directors will be the ex officio chairman of the MEEL. So that's where it stands right now. Okay. So it's not about James Sangma, it's about minister in charge power will be the ex officio chairman, whereas the secretary power will be the ex officio managing director of the MEEL. Yeah, this was done some time back. Yes, it is an entity. See, I have spelled this out yesterday that the energy efficiency is an emerging sector in power, and it's not just an emerging sector. It is also very important sector. Recognizing this, Government of India has formed the Energy Efficiency Services Limited, the EESL. Yeah. And this is to give a special focus and thrust on energy efficiency. Likewise, Government of Meghalaya, looking at the kind of importance we need to give energy efficiency, we also have decided to form the Energy Efficiency Limited, Meghalaya Energy Efficiency Limited, which is in line with that, and this is a specialized sector, and this is something that the government is very serious and wants to pursue this in a very focused manner. That is why this was formed. See, in that way, if you look at it, EESL is there, a body in the Government of India, and you have various other DISCOMs or any various other power corporations, like you have the NTPC, you have the NHPC, you have REC, PFC, Power Finance Corporation. So all these bodies have come together and they're all stakeholders in EESL. So here also, our corporation, that is the Energy Corporation, is a part of the Meghalaya Energy Efficiency Limited. So it is a part of it. Yeah, the directors are all from planning, finance, law, and of course the MD is from Power Department, but the chairman is from also ex officio, minister in charge power. I think it's because of the fact that those who have come up with such kind of insinuations or allegations is because of lack of knowledge, They have not done proper research into this matter, and all the reports which have been published in regards to this are factually incorrect. So I think it is irresponsible on the part of any media house to report something without having done their homework.